Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your name on Hero Wars. So let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, launch Open Your Hero Wars application on your device. Once you are done, from the main homepage, tap on the profile icon located at the top left-hand corner. You will be able to see your username, your account ID, team level, team experience, max hero level, and time zone displayed on the screen. If you want to change your name, simply tap the Change Name button. Enter a name you'd like to change to, or you can also select a random name by tapping the Random button. Scroll through the name and pick the one that you like. Once you are done picking a name for yourself, and if you are happy with the name, tap on Accept and wait for a few seconds. And soon after you do that, you have successfully changed your name, which should be located at the top. So that is how you can easily change your name on Hero Wars. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.